My dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you? Grade 2. Let's start our today's lesson. Our today's lesson is lesson number 6 in chapter 10. Subtract 3-digit numbers. Let's start by this exercise. Here we want to get 529 minus 218. I'll choose one of you, grade 2, to answer the question. It's very easy to answer it. I'll choose Zainul Abidin. Hello, Zainul Abidin.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Zain, let's get 529 minus 218. 9 minus 8, Zain, can be or can't be?
What? Can't be one.
Can be or can't be?
Can be.
Can be. Here it's no problem because 9 is greater than 8. No problem.
Answer is 311. 311.
Now 1 minus 8, 9 minus 8 equals 1. Now 2 minus 1. Can be or can't be?
Can be one.
Can be, it's no problem. So
Answer is 311. 311.
That's right. Now 5 minus 2 equals 3. So the answer 311. Thank you, Zainul Abidin. Bye.
I love you. Bye. I don't make it in my fingers.
I love you too. Thank you. Now I'll choose Asaf to answer the next one. Hello, Asaf. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Asaf, 553 minus 316. Let's start by ones. 3 minus 6 can be or can't be?
6 can be.
3 minus 6. Make 3 in your fingers, Asaf, please. Make 3 in your fingers.
Yeah.
Take 6 from this 3. Can you take 6?
No.
No, so it can't be. 3 minus 6 can't be. So 3 will go to 5 and borrow 1. 3 will go to 5 and say 5, please borrow me. Now 5 becomes 4 and 3 becomes 13. Let's write here 4 and write here 13. Now 13 minus 6 equals what number? 13 minus 6.
Wait.
13 minus 6.
3 equals 3.
13 minus 6 equals 7, Asif. You can close your hand and count after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You will get 7 fingers. So the answer equals 7. Now 4 minus 1. Can be or can't be? Quickly.
Can be.
Can be. No problem here because 4 is greater than 1. 4 minus 1 equals 3. So let's write here 3. And 5 minus 3. Can be or can't be?
5 minus 3 can be.
Can be, no problem. 5 minus 3 equals what?
5 minus 3 equal 2.
Equal to. So the answer equals 237. Thank you, Asaf. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Now I'll choose Tayyim Ahmed to answer the next one. Hello, Tayyim. How are you?
You, master. What about you?
I'm great, thank you. Now, Tayyim, let's get 323 minus 1 minus 194. 3 minus 4 can be or can't be?
Can't.
Can't.
Go to do and tell him, please. I want 1.
Yes.
2,
now,
2 becomes 1 and 3 becomes 13.
Excellent. 3 becomes 13. That's right. Now 13 minus 4 equals what number?
13 minus 4 equals. Okay, 13 minus 4 equals 9.
Equal 9. Very good. 1 minus 9 can be or can't be?
1 minus 9 can't be.
Can't, because 1 is smaller than 9. Now 1 will go to 3 and the power 1. Now 3
3
becomes what number?
becomes 2. 3 becomes 2 and 1 becomes 100.
No, 11. 1 becomes 11.
Yes.
This one becomes 11. 11 minus 9 equals what number?
11 minus 9 equals 2. 2.
Equals 2. And 2 minus 1 equals what number?
2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1.
Equals
129.
129. Thank you. Thank you, Tayyim. Bye.
I don't make it in my finger.
Excellent. Bye, Tayyim. Now, my lovely boys, please pay attention. In the first equation, we don't regroup. In the second one, we regroup 1 time. But in the third one, we regroup 2 times. Now, grade 2, let's move to the next page to answer the next equation. Please, all of you, put your fingers in question number 1. Let's answer this question. 423 minus 174. Let's start by ones. 3 minus 4 can be or can't be. Let's choose the super one whose name is Omar Khalid. Hello, Omar, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Omar, let's answer this question, okay? 3 minus 4, Omar, can be or can't be?
Can't be.
Can't, because 3 is, yes, because 3 is less than 4. Very good. Now 3 will go to 2 and the power 1. Now 2 becomes what number and 3 becomes what number?
2 will be 1 and 3 will become 13.
Excellent. Now 13 minus 4 equals
13
what?
minus 4 equals 9.
Equals 9. And 1 minus 7 can be or can't be?
Can't be.
Or can't be, because 1 is less than 7. 1 is less than 7. If you have 1, can you take 7 from it? No, it can't be. Now 1 will go to 4 and the power 1. 4 becomes what number and 1 becomes
3. 4 becomes 3 and 1 becomes 11.
Equals what number?
Was what number? 11 minus 7 equals
minus
4. Equals 4 and 1 minus 3 equals 2.
4, yes. 11 minus 7 equals, and 3 minus 1 equals 2. Thank you, Amr. Bye. Now let's find who can answer the next one. I choose Qusay. Hello, Qusay. How are you?
Thank you.
Qusay, let's get 542 minus 367. 2 minus 7 can be or can't be? 2 minus 7. Can't be, because 2 is less than, yes, 2 less than 7, so it can't be. Now 2 will go to 4 and the power 1. 4 becomes what number and 2 becomes what number?
2 becomes 12. 4 becomes 3.
Excellent. Excellent. 2 becomes 12 and 4 becomes 3. Now this 4 becomes 3. Now 12 minus 7.
12 minus 7 equal, after 7 equal 5. Equal 5.
Equal 5. Very good. And 3 minus 6 can be or can't be?
Can't be.
Minus 6 can be or can't be?
Can't.
Can't, because 3 is less than 6. Now 3 will go to 5. No, 5 becomes 4. 5 becomes 4. And 3 becomes what number?
13.
13. Now 13 minus 6 equals what number?
13 minus 6. Equal 8. 8.
Equals 7. Equals 7. 13 minus 6 equals 7 Qusay. And 4 minus 3 equals what number?
Equal 1.
Equals 1. So the answer equals 175. Thank you, Qusay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Now I'll choose Abdurrahman Farouk to answer the next question. Abdurrahman, how are you?
Fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm fine, thank you. Abdurrahman, 5 minus 1 equals what number?
5 minus 1 is equals to 4.
4, very good. And 1 minus 5 can be or can't be?
Can't.
Can't, because 1 is less than 5. Now 1 will go to 3 and 4. Yes, very good. Now 3 becomes what number and 1 becomes what number?
3 becomes 2 and 1 becomes 11.
1 becomes 11. Very good. Now 11 minus 5 equals what?
After 5, 6.
11 minus 5 equals 6. And yes, and 2 minus 1 equals what
Equals
number?
to 1. 1.
Equals 1. That's right. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Super boy. Bye. Now grade 2, who's ready to answer the next question? I'll choose this super one whose name is Abdulaziz Barakat. Hello, Abdulaziz. How are you?
Fine. Fuck you. I love you very, very much.
Thank you, Abdulaziz. Abdulaziz, 8 minus 6 equals what number?
8 minus 6. 6 on the finger and 8 on the mind.
No. It's minus. It's minus. 8 minus 6. Close your hand and count after 6. What's after 6?
7. No. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Yes,
13.
Abdulaziz. When you say 11, stop. Start by the smaller number 6 and count on to 8.
Big number.
Yes, to the big
What?
number. Close your hand, and count from 6 to 8. After 6, 7, 8.
7, 8,
Stop.
9.
Stop. When you say 8, stop, okay?
Okay.
Again, close your fingers and count after 6, 7,
8. Stop.
Stop now. Yes. Now how many fingers?
2 equals 2.
2. So the answer equals 2. Let's write here 2. Very good. Now 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7 can't be Abdulaziz because 6 is smaller than 7.
After
No. 6. Listen to me, please. 6 is smaller than 7. 6 is smaller than 7. So it can't be. So 6 will go to 5 and say 5, please borrow me 1. Now this 5,
okay.
Yes, this 5 becomes 4 and this 6 becomes 16. Okay? Make it like this. Now 16 minus 7. Close your fingers and count. After 7, close your fingers. Close your count after 7, 8.
8, 9. Stop.
No. When you say 16, stop. When you say 16, this number, stop. Count after 7, 8,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Stop.
Stop. That's right. How many fingers now?
Fingers. 10.
It's 9, Abdulaziz. Okay, if
Nine,
you
nine.
count it again. Okay, 9. Let's write here 9.
Okay.
Now 4 minus 2. Close your fingers and count after 2.
4 minus 2.
Yes.
Okay. Oh,
Close your
finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yes.
6, 7.
Stop. Stop. When you say 4, stop. When
Seven,
you say
seven.
4, stop.
4.
Abdulaziz, when you say 4, stop.
Okay.
Again. Close your finger. After 2.
After 2, 3, 4. Stop. Equal to.
Equal to. That's right. So the answer equals 292. My lovely boys, please write 292. Thank you, Abdulaziz. Bye. Now let's find who can answer the next question. Grade 2. Who's ready to answer question number 5? In question number 4, for answering question number 5,
I want to go to drink.
Okay, Tayyim. Okay, Tayyim. Okay, come quickly, Tayyim, please.
Okay.
Ilan, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Ilan, let's get 821 minus 346. 1 minus 6 can be or can't be?
Can't be.
Can't be because 1 is smaller than 6. Now 1 will go to 2 and the 1. 2 becomes what number and 1 becomes what number?
2 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 11.
Excellent. Now 11 minus 6 equals what number?
11 minus 6 equals 5.
5. And 1 minus 4 can be or can't be?
Can't be.
Can't be.
So 1 will go to 8 and say, please borrow me 1.
Okay, 8 becomes what
8
number?
will turn into 7.
Excellent. And
8
1
will,
and
1 will be
what number?
11.
11. Very good. Now 11 minus 4 equals what number?
11 minus 4 equals 7.
7. Super. Very good. Now let's write here 7. And the 7 minus 3 equals what number?
4.
4. So the answer equals 475.
It equals 4.
Thank you, Ilan. You are super boy. Bye. Now I'll choose Muhammad Salim to answer the next question. Hello, Muhammad. How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you, mister?
I'm fine, thank you. Muhammad, let's get 727 minus 289. 7 minus 9 can be or can't be, Muhammad?
Can't be, because 7 is less than 9.
Excellent. So 7 will go to 2 and the 1. 2 becomes what number and 7 becomes what?
7 becomes 17 and 2 becomes 1.
Very good. That's right. And 2 becomes 1. Now 17 minus 9 equals what number?
17 minus 9 equals, wait. 8.
8, very good. And 1 minus 8 can be or can't be?
Can't be.
Can't be because 1 is less than 8. Now 1 will go to 7 and go to 1. 7 becomes what number and this one becomes what number?
7 becomes 6 and 1 becomes 11.
And 1 becomes 11. Now 11 minus 8 equals what?
11 minus 8 equals 11 minus 8 equals 3.
3. Very good. And 6 minus 2?
6 minus 2 equals 4.
Equals 4. Very good. So the answer 438. Thank you, Muhammad Salim. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Now, my dear students, I let number 7, 8, 9 for you. Answer it by yourself. 7, 8, 9. And turn the page, please. Grade 2. Let's move to the next page to answer number 10. Let's find the super one who can help me to answer number 10. And number 10, we want to get 345 minus 185. 345 minus 185. I choose now the super boy whose name is Omar Ala. Hello, Omar, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Omar, 5 minus 5 equals what number?
5 minus what?
5 minus 5. 5 minus 5.
0.
0. Very good. And now 4 minus 8 can be or can't be?
Can't.
Can't be. Now 4 will go to 3 and they say 3, please borrow me 1. Now 3 becomes what number and 4 becomes what number?
4 becomes 14.
Excellent. 4 becomes
3
14.
becomes 2.
And 3 becomes 2. That's right. Now 14 minus 8 equals to what number?
6.
14 minus 8 equals 6. That's right. And 2 minus 1?
1.
2 minus 1, 1. Now the answer 160. Thank you, Omar Ala. You are super. Bye. Now I'll choose Jarrah to answer the next one. Hello, Jarrah. How are you? Hello, Jarrah. Jarrah, let's answer number 11. 7 minus 8 can be or can't be?
Can't be.
Can't be, because 7 is less than 8. 7 will go to 2 and 2 becomes what number and 7 becomes what number?
7 becomes 70.
Excellent. And 2 becomes
1.
1. Now 17 minus 8 equals what number? 17 minus 8. Quickly, please, Jarrah. 17 minus 8. You can close your fingers and count after 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many fingers now,
9
Jarrah?
finger.
9
9.
fingers. Very good. That's right. And 1 minus 1 equals what number? 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1.
0.
0. And 6 minus 4?
2.
2. So the answer 209. Thank you, Jarrah. Bye. Now I'll choose Hatim to answer the next one. Hello, Hatim. How are you? Okay, let's choose Majd. Hello, Majd.
Hello, Mr.
Majd, let's answer number 12. 6 minus 3 can be or can't be?
Can't be.
Can be. No problem here because 6 is greater than 3. 6 minus 3 equals what number?
3.
Yes.
6 plus 3.
Minus. It's minus, not plus. 6 minus 3.
Okay. 5, 4, 3.
Equals
It
what?
is 3.
Equals
3.
3. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Okay, very good. Now 1 minus 2 can be or can't be? 1 minus
2 can be.
Can't be because 1 is less than 2. 1 will go to 9 and borrow 1. Now 9 becomes what number and 1 becomes what number?
Okay. Okay.
9 becomes what number?
8.
8. And 1 becomes what? 1 becomes 11. 11. Yes, 11.
1. 11.
11 minus 2 equals what number?
Equals 11.
11.
9.
9, yes. 8 minus 7 now equals what number?
8 minus 7.
Hmm. 8 minus 7 equals 1. So the answer 193. Now, my lovely boys, please write like this. I let number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 for you. Answer it by yourself. Okay? Answer number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 by yourself. Now let's answer number 19 together, okay? In number 19, we want to get this missing digits. 1 minus 7 equal 1 minus 7. It can't be. How 1 minus 7? It can't be. So 1 will go to 5 and borrow 1. Now 5 becomes 4 and 1 becomes 11. This one becomes 11. 11 minus 7 equals 4. That's right. 4 minus 0 equals 4. And 4 minus what number equals 1? 4 minus what number equals 1? It's 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. So right here 3. Now let's answer the next one. 957 minus what equals 279? 7 minus what number equals 9? If you have 7, what number you should cancel to get 9? How? It's impossible. 7 is less than, so 7 will go to 5 and borrow 1. Now 5 becomes 4 and this 7 becomes 17. The question now is 17 minus what number equals 17 minus what number equals 9? You can start by 9 and count to 17. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, it's 8 fingers. So let's write here 8. 17 minus 8 equals 9. So the missing digit here is 8. Okay, now let's answer the next one. 2 minus what number equals 8? Actually, it's impossible because 2 is less than 8. So this 2 must be 12. It's not 2. It's okay. It's a 12. Now 12 minus 8 equals 4. That's right. Now what number? Minus 5 equals 8. 13 minus 5 equals 8. So let's write here 13. Let's write here 13. Okay. This 13 must borrow 1 from this next number, from 6. So this 13 was 3 and 3 borrow 1 from 6. Now 3 go to 6 and say 6, please help me, borrow me 1. Now 6 becomes 5 and 3 becomes 13. But don't forget that 2 borrow 1 from this digit. So this digit was 4. So right here 4. Okay. Now my lovely boys, right here 4. Grade 2, let's move to the next page to answer the next question. As usual, grade 2, I'll show you a video about this question, so please all of you pay attention to understand it well.
A jeweler has 616 bracelets and 668 necklaces. He sells 269 bracelets. How many bracelets are left? You know a jeweler has 616 bracelets and 668 necklaces. You know he sells 269 bracelets. You need to find how many bracelets are left. Your subtraction equation is 616 minus 269 equals what number? Rewrite the equation. 616 minus 269 equals what number? Look at the ones. There are not enough ones to subtract 9, so regroup 1 10 and 6 ones as 0 10s and 16 ones. 16 ones minus 9 ones equals 7 ones. Look at the tens. You have 0 tens. There are not enough tens to subtract 6, so regroup 600s and 0 tens as 500s and 10 tens. 10 tens minus 6 tens equals 4 tens. 500s minus 200s equals 300s. So 616 minus 269 equals 347. There are 347 bracelets left.
Now, my dear students, please all of you write here 347 because 616 minus 269 equals 347. Now let's answer the next question quickly, grade 2. A vendor has 354 hats and 294 pairs of sunglasses. She sells 186 hats. How many hats are left? I said to you before, grade 2, if you want to find how many left, you have to subtract. But subtract what number minus what number? The question is how many hats are left. So subtract the total number of the hats, subtract the hats that she sold from the total number of the hats. So let's write the total number of the hats, 354 minus the hats that she sells. It's 186. 186 equals what number? You can get it by yourself. It's very easy. There are 449 watercolor. There are 449 watercolor paintings and 373 oil paintings in a school art show. 238 paintings win a ribbon. How many don't win a ribbon? Okay. In this question, grade 2, you have to get the total number of the paintings. So firstly, get 449 plus 373. Okay. After that, subtract 238 from the answer, from the sum of 449 and 373. Unfortunately, we don't have time, so I want to thank all of you, grade 2. See you tomorrow, inshallah. I wish all of you understand the lesson. Thanks all of you, and goodbye.